Get excited about the 2018 Ford Explorer. Ford prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, power front seats, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Come on in and take a test drive.